Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Alina Craft Studio. If you are new here, I'm Alina and I usually share my craft projects and party decor tips. But this year I decided to start a new playlist where I will share my garden experience. I live in Chicago, which is a gardening zone 5, so if you are in a similar climate, this video should be really helpful. This is my third year growing a garden here. I've learned a lot, but I'm also excited to hear tips from more experienced gardeners in the comments. My first season was very successful. The second one was a little tricky. We'll see what awaits me in 2025. Today I'm going to show how I plant cilantro, parsley and kale using the winter sowing method. I had great success with this method last year, so I'm excited to do it again this season. Let's start it. Here you can see a list of plants that work well with winter sowing. You can try cold hardy vegetables, herbs, and even some flowers. Winter sowing has several benefits. You don't need for grow lights or heating mats. It's a great way to save space indoors, and seeds naturally adapt to the outdoor conditions. Let me show all steps. First, I'm going to show you how to prepare the containers. You can use different type of plastic containers. It could be a gallon-sized milk or juice bottle, also a container from fruits or vegetables. If it needed cut drainage holes, you need to make sure there is a good drainage at the bottom, so the seeds don't rot. Next step, we have to add soil. Fill it with about 2 or 3 inches. Sprinkle the seeds over the soil. I recommend to use, for example, pen to make furrows and then sow seeds in them. You can start winter sowing anytime from late December to early March, depending on your local climate. I'm doing mine in March. After that, we have to water in the soil, then close the lid. Make sure that your container lids should have holes in the top. It should create a mini greenhouse. Also, I recommend label your containers. And after that, place your container outside. Choose a spot where it will get sunlight. The seed will stay dormant until the weather warms up, and then they will start to sprout naturally. The great thing about winter sowing is that it doesn't matter if it's rain or snow outside. Your seeds are safe and will continue to grow. Winter sowing is really simple, and it's a great way to get a head start on your garden. Let me know in the comments if you have tried winter sowing or if you have any tips. Also, my next gardening video will be about planting tomatoes, so make sure you don't miss it.